So basically, I was into bodybuilding for many years, but I never got to compete because I never wanted to use any sort of drugs and stuff, and there were no natural competitions happening around. But last year, in around November, I got to know about this thing called ICN. This I Compete Natural. It's an Australian federation. So I decided to compete, and also my family and friends encouraged me a lot. I competed in December. I didn't place that well. In one category, I placed fifth, and in two categories, I didn't get a medal. I didn't place. So then, I felt really disheartened and stuff. Like, so I didn't want to get settled with that. But then I decided to compete again. Also, my family and friends encouraged me again. So I competed again on last Saturday of 27th May, and I got one gold medal. I got one bronze, and I got one fifth place. Gold was in men's fitness model, third place was in men's physique, and fifth place in classic physique. And I was really happy because I could get some name for my state, Goa. And I would like to thank all of my friends and family, especially my mom, dad, my brother, my wife. And I would like to thank Subhankar Mishra, he's a very close friend of mine. He helped me a lot with my journey. Basically, he took all my check-ins, he supervised me, guided me through the prep. And I would like to thank him.
आता तुझे फ्युचर प्लॅन कितें आसा?
आता like I want to compete again. Like there are more competitions coming this year. So पळोवया केन्ना ते कशें तें. So like maybe after a few months I might compete again. Let's see how it goes.
नॉर्मल ट्रेनिंग बीन कितें घेतला काय कशें तुजें हे कशें केलां तर?
ना सगळें सेल्फ केल्लें आनी ऑल्सो हांवें थोडे भुरग्यांक कोच केल्लो तेंच्यांनी बी दे परफॉर्मड वेल सगळें बरें आसलें थिंगा लायक टोटल म्हाज्या टिमान 9 मेडल घेतले हांगा बॉम्बे.
तूं खंय शिकयता आतां भुरग्यांक काय ऑनलायन घेता ते?
सर हांव ऑनलायन ट्रेनींग घेता मोस्टली. विकली चॅकींग आसता आमचे लायक डायट ट्रेनींग सगळें हांव विकली चेंज करता तेंचो विकली वेट पळयता सगळें अशें.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.